Welcome to my technical seminar. Myself, Shiva Ganeshan is. The topic is Smart City Admin Module, and I was guided by Professor Deepti N. These are the contents. I'll be first explaining about the company and their vision. After that, I'll be continuing with the work assigned to me. Next, I'll be discussing the qualities which I had gained, and at the last, I'll be displaying the internship certificate. Name of the company is Intrala Software Services. They provide a broad portfolio of information technology solutions and business process to its clients. Their core portfolio comprises of a product development, smart web solutions, business process consulting services, as well as professional conversion and migration services in information technology. The section which I was worked on, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. The vision of the company is to focus on leveraging new technologies using proven and cost effective method for each client. Working with the customers to achieve their business objectives is their highest priority. Services provided by the companies: digital marketing, web development, mobile application, and graphic design. The work which I was assigned to develop is application regarding smart city admin module. I got to learn about HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. There, I learned a lot of web development and its uses, how it plays a major role for any company. Actual work done during internship was to develop a web application called Smart City. Using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, I mainly concentrated on the admin module of the Smart City application. About the project, in order to realize a real-time analytical processing, we have proposed data science and ML architecture of machine learning analysis over streaming data. Machine learning enables operation of a queried recent part of streaming data, computes analytical results by fully utilizing capabilities of stream processing engines with selective queries to generate partial results and compute analytical results as needed. As its feature, it enables to integrate several data sources, each of which reports various facts. Joining various data sources require professional knowledge and experiences. Thus, it is difficult, and in this work, we assume that such knowledge and experiences are given. In this project, we show usability of data sciences and machine learning and demonstrate it by applying to real world data. These are the snapshots of the project. Figure 1 shows the home page of the application. As I was developed the admin module, I'll have the access to view all the users, name, email ID, phone number, and address, and also I'll be able to delete any of the users' details. This is shown in the figure 2. Figure 3 shows the statistics about the issues which were resolved and moved. These are the technical skills which I learned during the internship. The first one is HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. These are the non-technical skill. There, I also was able to improve my communication skill, increase my confidence, and learn how to manage the time. This is my internship certificate provided by the company after the completion of the project. Thank you.